Experts LLC. What we're working on today is a customer shower stall. It's going to be a shower stall redo. I want to give you a close look here. If you notice, some of these bottom tile have been, over time, coming loose. So we're going to score out those, we're going to remove those and replace. I don't think I have to pop them out. I think I just have to score it and replace the grout around it. Now we look at the pan floor. The customer wants to go, instead of this floor, we're going to go with a beautiful mosaic tile that he picked out from good old Floor Decor. Alright. So, let's get to work. I'm going to take a before and after. This is going to look amazing. Catch you later. Alright. What we're working on today, oh, you didn't see this yesterday. I forgot to take a picture. But this was the final layout for the mosaics. What I'm doing today, I am now taking a pencil and marking where I need to shave. I'm going to grind these tile down just so the drain can be grouted in a way that has a slope for the grout. You know, it's a little depth here. I don't want to, I mean, obviously it's going to have a cap. But even on this side here, I'm going to shave these down. This one's, I should shave this down too. Just so I can grout backwards and seal it. Grout backwards and seal it. So if you look here, I'm going to take it. Let's see here. And this is where I'll take the grinder. I just bought a diamond grinder. You know, so imagine cutting that back when I go to grout this area here. I'm gonna go to grout this area here. Okay, all the cuts have been made. So if you notice, all my cuts are made, and your boy cuts flawless, don't he? Okay. All my cuts, each one of these pieces were cut. I didn't want to go too deep on these, that's why I got the arrow, because I didn't want to go too deep. But they're all cut. Good old grinder here. Grinder did the trick. Alright, so now we cleaned up. Head upstairs. And place these, and then we'll grout them and tile them in. Then we'll get out of here for the day. Tile Guard Experts LLC.
My God, has it been that long? Things have certainly changed around here.
All good things must come to a stop when emotions involved, but I gotta leave you. When emotions involved, but I gotta leave you. When emotions involved, you wasn't no good for me, never produced baby. You wasn't no good for me, never.
The next project would be, see this floor here? We're gonna cut the floor, the hardwood floor here, and add these tile and run them all the way back there. You can see that. Alright, up on the wall here, I'm going to add mosaics along the top line here, right here, and run them all the way across as you see here to finish the complete set of mosaics. Right now I'm prepping for paint. Obviously I taped off all of my wall here. Let me give you a little view. I'm going to be taping doing an accent wall to this back wall here. As you can see, I'm working on my accent wall. It's coming out very pretty. You know my details. Nice gray. All the way at the top there. As you can see, it's working right across. Nice and pretty.
All good things must come to a stop. I was with you every day. morning and night. I never slid out on you, cause real men feet don't slip.
Tom got experts. We do it all. Let you guys back in a second. Peace. So let's get into this.
Goodbye. No use leaving without me. This is where our story ends. No use leaving without me.
Romeo and Juliet, because our peace ain't lit. Romeo and Juliet, because our peace ain't lit.
Now are the mosaics on the floor. I've already cut the floor back because it didn't match. If you look down the aisle there, so I had to cut my own floor out away, and I'm gonna add my mosaics in the interim. Right now I have my mud, and I'm just trying to build a floor to lay the mosaic.
Come, people go. People come, people go. There's someone I used to see, but she don't give a damn for me. There's someone I used to see, but she don't give a damn for me. Moonlight ride. Moonlight ride. People come, people go. People come, people go. Moonlight ride. Moonlight ride. There's someone I used to see, but she don't give a damn for me. There's someone I used to see, but she don't give
Now
a
look, I'm not a
damn for
painter,
me.
you know what I mean? But at the same time, I told you as part of the package, you give them a new shower floor.
See that? I put the marble. Okay. Deep clean the shower. I deep cleaned it and regrouted it. Last thing I have to do here is seal it. Each line with the white acrylic like a nail polish. That makes it one hard surface. Okay. So they get that. They get a tub restoration. See the patch there? The dark hole. See all that? It's gonna get covered and painted. And that's what's gonna happen today. In about maybe 2 hours from now, I'll be painting that tub. And then lastly, we do an accent. I give them an accent wall. The gray is gonna look amazing because what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the mosaics along the wall down there, obviously, where that white is. I'll do that today. And actually, I'm gonna go do that now. Mix the mud up, get that on there, make that pretty, and then worry about getting this tub painted. Yeah, Tom Got Experts LLC, we're doing it. I am so blessed. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful. This is the first time in my life that I'm actually happy. Like, you know how work is such a part of your life that you got to wake up and think about it. You got to go home thinking about it. Oh, I got to be late for work and work. Nah, not this. Not this. And like this job $1,650. He paid me $1,000 deposit. And then once I finish this, I'll get the $650. So come on. I've been here
This is 4th day. For himself, he made the wood, but it came to this tub. It was hard to make cuts.
Just me and you, ooh, baby.
What we're working on here, we're applying our mosaics. Pick these up. Coming in nice. See the mosaics as it's laid across here. Also mosaics are laid down here. This was on this space before. Alright, let's get your shoes on. Let's get out of here. Sheesh. I mean, this is the good. This is the good.